Assalamu alaikum, dear Muslim brother and sister. This video is especially Muslim and brother sisters. I have channel. I think I will closed ads from YouTube earnings. I have decided that I will close YouTube ads since I think the system is not halal way to earning. There is some controlling system have that may not control YouTube's ads due to the Google provides ads in their provision after blocking ad categories, sensitive categories, etc. However, we will try to see this item, how to add monetization, turn off monetization, Adsence, and payment profile. Go your YouTube channel. Here my YouTube channel. প্রথমে আমরা দেখবো first we see how to turn off monetization. That ad will not show. Go to YouTube Studio. Little bit showing slow. Here my monetization. The requirement is not fill up yet. Before fill upping this condition, I will close this also little bit difficult. Click on videos, select which videos you want to turn off. That's ad will not show that videos. Select all. 30 videos selected, and also you can increase mouse. Total 50 selected, and we select through again. However, that is not. If my channel, যদি আমার চ্যানেলটা মনিটাইজেশন হতো তবে এখানে মনিটাইজেশন অপশনটা থাকতো, কিন্তু এখানে মনিটাইজেশন অপশনটা নেই, কিংবা এখানে ডলার সাইনটা থাকতো, otherwise dollar sign is showing here. That I turn off that I can turn off monetization. However, this is not possible, so we'll go to Google Adsense accounts, search, writes Google, Adsense. Yes, okay, here Google Adsense account. আপনার যে অ্যাকাউন্টের মাধ্যমে ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি খোলা আছে সেই অ্যাকাউন্টের ইমেল দিয়ে এখানে সাইন ইন করতে হবে। সাইন ইন থ্রু ইউর ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ইমেল অ্যাকাউন্ট। Before closing Adsense account, we may watch login control. Notice here YouTube host. What can I do? Sensitive categories, advanced, general categories, etc. Manage general categories, manage sensitive categories, advice. Here we can watch the manage general categories. Arts and income all are allowed. 200 remaining. Here I can blocks, add categories, arts and entertainment, arts and independent block of 2030 categories RL. You can choose each individual item. Let's go YouTube host. Content. No ads review. Sensitive category. Here we can control ads category. Click account, then account setting, then account information, and click here close account. Website has closed down. Insufficient earning. You can choose any ad. Click on continue. To email and check the email. You notice that Google Adsence sent email that if I fill up this, your account has been successfully cancelled. As from here, you notice that payment and subscription. Payment methods, manage payment method. No payment method yet setting. Payment profile. Close payment profile. You can close payment profile from here. Important that choose a category. Only will be delayed. I have noticed that I have closed my Google payment profile.